हाम्रो यो म्याथमेटिकल च्याम्पियनको आज फर्स्ट क्याम्प रिजल्ट सहित हामी यहाँ उपस्थित भएका छौँ। यसको परिकल्पनाकार डाक्टर बसन्त प्रसाद अधिकारी सर हुनुहुन्छ। उहाँको नेतृत्वमा आज यो बृहत् र भव्य यो विद्यार्थी मैत्री कार्यक्रम भएको छ। यो म्याथमेटिकल च्याम्पियन जहाँ कि विद्यार्थीहरूको नयाँ प्र्याक्टिस हो। अक्सफोर्डले नयाँ प्र्याक्टिस सुरु गरेको छ। यो अहिलेको सेसनबाट विद्यार्थी आफैले क्वेसन बनाउने, विद्यार्थी आफैले चेकिङ गर्ने र नयाँ नयाँ म्याथमेटिकल जुन प्र्याक्टिस छ, ट्रेनिङ छ, अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय जुन मान्यता छ त्यसलाई आधार मानेर म्याथमेटिक ग्रुपलाई अगाडि बढाउनुपर्छ भन्ने उद्देश्यले यो कार्यक्रम आयोजना गरिएको हो। र आज त्यसको रिजल्ट सहित हाम्रो विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूले को सक्रियतामा यो कार्यक्रम सुरु हुन गइरहेको छ। यसको परिकल्पनाकार हाम्रो विद्यालयका शैक्षिक सल्लाहकार डाक्टर बसन्त प्रसाद अधिकारी सरलाई ताली बजाएर सम्मान गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म अनुरोध गर्छु। र अबको यो फर्मल प्रोग्राम विद्यार्थी सुयोग आचार्य र दिपेश पौडेललाई कार्यक्रम सञ्चालनको लागि म यो माइक्रोफोन हस्तान्तरण गर्दछु। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Hello, good afternoon to everyone. It's me, Dipesh Paudel, and it's me, Suyog Acharya. We are truly honored to be standing before you today to guide you through what promises to be an exciting and enriching program. On behalf of the Mathematics Championship Club of Oxford Secondary School, we are extend a warm welcome to all of you. Today we have gathered here for a program organized by Mathematics Championship Club. Throughout the program, we will have a variety of segments including quiz competition, some of the speeches about of mathematics also. I hope you will take away something valuable from each experience. Before we begin the program, we would like to begin the chairing ceremony. As a chairperson of this program, I have to request Academic Advisor of Oxford Secondary School, Dr. Basanta Prasad Adhikari sir, to take his respected seats. For him. As a chief guest of this program, HOD of Mathematics, request Ananda Ghimere sir to take his respected seat. The special guest of this program, I would like to request Senior Account Officer Naran Sikdel sir, the Academic in charge of Oxford Secondary School, Kamal Prasad Wagle sir, Biswa Sapkota, Srijana Bhusal ma'am, and Arpan Bhusal and Lovely Chaudhary to take his respective seats. And as a special guest, I would like to request Primary Level Head Prakash Trivedi sir, Pre-Primary Level Head Pradeep Chaudhary sir, and Examination Head Sarmila Shrestha ma'am to take their respected seats. As a guest of this program, we would like to request Bimarsa Paudel, Naman Aryal and Aryan Paudel to take their respected seats. Please give a round of applause to them. I would like to call Sargam BK and Riti Adhikari to put mala to all the guests. Please. Now, without getting delay, we would like to begin the program. First of all, we would like to hand over this microphone to respected Dr. Basanta Prasad Adhikari sir to say something about this program. Clap for him.
Good morning, all guests and my lovely children. Hello, and my teachers. This is a mathematics championship program, new concept. previous later 2 weeks ago, I read a paper. During my reading, there was something new in that paper. So I want to take knowledge from that paper, and I invented this mathematics championship competition in Oxford Secondary School. And I value all teachers, all staffs. This is especially mathematics. That is why mathematics teachers are more focused and level head are focused here. But you all are equally important. In the next program, there may be science, there may be Nepali, there may be English. Should be there at that time. All are equally important. So I am sorry, all teachers, I could not join here. That is our compulsion. Please try to understand. Take it positively. What is this mathematical championship program? I just gave idea. मैले knowledge मात्रै दिएको मेरो विद्यार्थीको कक्षा 7 को भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई सबै उहाँले गर्नुभएको हो। मैले गरेको केही पनि होइन। उहाँलाई ताली बजाउनुस्। ताली बजाउनुस्, उहाँलाई ताली बजाउनुस्। You can sit there. अनि म अर्को भन्न चाहन्छु, यो त एउटा मोडल हो। यो त नलेजको लागि मैले शेयर गरेको हुँ। म सबैमा एक्सपर्ट छैन, म साइन्समा एक्सपर्ट छैन, म नेपालीमा एक्सपर्ट छैन, म इङ्ग्लिसमा एक्सपर्ट छैन। आई एम नट एक्सपर्ट। म विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई पनि यो खालको कन्सेप्ट हरेक क्लासमा you have to try to make copy it and try to do something new from your side. हामीले बनाएको, हामीले गरिदिएको गाइडेन्स गरेको भन्दा तपाई आफैले सिर्जना गरेको नलेज त्यो महत्त्वपूर्ण हुन्छ, त्यो थाहै हुन्छ र त्यो चाहिँ नयाँ र इनोभेटिभ हुन्छ। त्यसकारणले गर्दा पनि भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई यो खालको चाहिँ अब अर्को पटक नेपाली हो कि अंग्रेजी हो कि साइन्स हो कि प्लिज ट्राई टु कन्डक्ट दिस टाइप अफ थिङ। यहाँ केही पनि छैन। हामीले चाहिँ हाम्रै विद्यार्थीहरुले क्वेशन बनाउनु भएको हो, उहाँहरूले क्लासमा दिनुभएको हो र हाम्रै विद्यार्थी 2 जनाले 7 कक्षाको चेक गर्नुभएको हो र 5 को 6 चाहिँ हाम्रो सरले गर्नुभएको हो। आज भने नलेज धेरै चाहिँदैन, आगो यति ठुलो मुस्लो चाहिन्न, आगोको सानो झुल्को भयो भने त्यसकारणले मैले तपाईलाई भनेको छु, तपाईहरु सबै क्यापेबल हुनुहुन्छ। मलाई लाग्दैन यहाँ कोही पनि नसक्ने हुन्न। मेरो विद्यार्थीहरु त एक हुनुहुन्छ, एक। अनि मलाई सबैले गाली गर्नुहुन्छ। 7 कक्षालाई मात्रै माया गर्छ, यसैलाई पढाउँछ, यसलाई हेर्छ भन्छ। त्यो मेरो कुरा होइन, म सबैलाई माया गर्छु। तर त्यहाँबाट जेनेरेट गरेर हाल अब तपाई मलाई लाग्छ कक्षा 9 का भाइ बहिनीले पक्कै यो लागू गर्नुहुन्छ। अब उहाँहरु स्मार्ट हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँहरु लागू गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यस्तै गरी कक्षा 8 सबै कुरा तपाईको व्यवहारिक ज्ञानको विकास हुनु पर्यो। व्यवहारिक ज्ञानको विकास हुनलाई तपाई आफै उठ्नु पर्छ। हामी उठाएर हुँदैन। तपाई आफै उठ्नु भयो भने यो संसार तपाई हत्केलामा नचाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। किन तपाईहरुका ताली बजाउनुस्, तपाईहरु ताली बजाउनुस्। थ्यांक यू। ल अब म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने म पछि पनि मेरो पाला आयो तर अहिले क्लास 9 थ्यांक यू भेरी मच। कक्षा 9 को मेरो विद्यार्थी छोराछोरीहरुलाई मेरो विद्यार्थी धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। कक्षा 8 उहाँलाई पनि थ्यांक यू भन्न चाहन्छु। 5, 6, 7 त यो प्रतिस्पर्धामा उत्रनु भएको छ, उहाँलाई पनि थ्यांक यू भन्न चाहन्छु। सधैँ नयाँ नलेज लिएर आउनुहोस्, सधैँ फ्रेस भएर आउनुहोस्। तपाई जस्तै मान्छे उदाउने संसारमा अब हाम्रो पालो छैन। अब तपाई जस्तै विद्यार्थी उदाएर यो संसारमा नयाँ आविष्कार गर्ने तपाईहरु हो। त्यसकारणले आविष्कारको लागि चिन्तन गर्नुहोस्, राम्रो पढ्नुहोस्, बाबालाई आदर गर्नुहोस्, ठुलोलाई आदर गर्नुहोस्, सानोलाई माया गर्नुहोस्, सिलेबसले होमवर्क गर्नु, घरमा रिडिङ गर्नुहोस्, स्मार्ट भएर आउनुहोस् भन्दै म आजको प्रोग्रामको मुख्य उद्देश्य विद्यार्थीहरूलाई म्याथमेटिकली कसरी अगाडि लाने यसको मेन उद्देश्य यति मात्रै हो। त्यसभित्र धेरै सहायक उद्देश्यहरू छन्। यति भन्दै म आफ्नो 2 शब्द गुनाउँछु र म माइक्रोफोन हाम्रो कक्षा 7 को मैथमेटिक्स चैंपियनशिप ग्रुप को मेंबर टक्राउन चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now beginning to the program. First of all, we would like to call Nitish Sapkota to say something about current situation of mathematics.
Thank you, Param Conductors. Good morning, respected chief guests,
chairperson, guests, brother, sister, and my dear friends. Today I am here to deliver a short issues on the topic of current situation of mathematics. Mathematics plays a whole huge role in our life. It always plays every aspects of our life. It is a language that helps understand the world. It is a language that helps us to solve the real world. In current situation, mathematics is used in cryptography, computer science, economic, and other individual data. Now I would like to say 18 topics. By mathematics, we found the science technology. By mathematics, we can solve the real world. At last, I thank program conductor and all of you to listen my voice. Thank you. Clap for him. I would like to call Pramod sir, Asika ma'am, Ismarika ma'am. Clap for them. Please be here. I would like to call RN Portal to deliver the speech. Now moving forward to the program, we would like to call all quiz participants and sit in their seat group wise. From class 5, Soil Mizar, Isan Paudel, Grishma Sreshta, and class 7, Ankit Adhikari, Bhuvan Neupane, Bijasna Gurung, and Anushka Bhusal. From class 7, Amar Singh, Prakarsha Acharya, Saurabh Adhikari, Samriddhi Paudel, and Samiksha Chaudhary. From class 6, Balbhadra, Nirajan Kharel, Ayush Acharya, Eva Sreshta, and Nigel Sreshta. Choose number between 1 and 7. What is the full form of BODMAS? BODMAS. Full form. Right answer. Please give a round of applause to them. Class 6 Balbhadra. Choose a number between 1 and 7. What is the sum of supplementary angle? Six. Wrong answer. Now class 6 Amar Singh. Choose number between 1 to 7. How many inches are there in 1 meter? Wrong answer. Now class 7. Choose a number between 1 and 7. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? Wrong answer. Class 5. Choose a number between 1. What is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle? Right answer. Class 6 Balbhadra. I would like to call PTA president of this school, Guru Prasad Sapkota sir, on the march. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? The right answer is 2a square plus 2ab plus b square. 6 over 6 number then 1 to 6. Who wrote the book All Kitab All Khatars Hisab All Sabrawan Mukabala? Right answer. Ibn Musa Al Khawari Jimmy. Who wrote the book All Kitab All Hisab All Sabrawan Mukabala? For class 7, choose number. Who is the founder of Set and Display of Shape? Correct answer is George Cantor. Class 5. How many zeros are there in 10 billion? How many zeros are there in 10 billion? Billion. 4. Wrong answer. The right answer is 10 zeros. Choose number. Who started using negative number around the world? Using negative number around the world. The right answer is Brahma Gupta. Class 6 Amar Singh. Choose the number. What is the another name of CF? XCF. Wrong answer. Correct answer is greatest common factor. Class 7. Choose number. 7. How many laws of indices are there in mathematics? How many laws of indices are there in mathematics? The right answer. Wrong answer. The right answer is 3 laws. Class 5. What is the sum of complete angle? Right answer is 360 degree. This is the last round. Class 6 Palmatra, choose number. What is the name of the first chapter of mathematics book of grade 7? Class 6 Amar Singh. What is the name of last chapter of mathematics book of grade 7? Right answer. Last round, last question to class 7. Choose the number. What is the name of the last chapter of grade 7 mathematics book? Wrong answer. Presentation of data. Thank you all of you to participate in the quiz competition. The winner of this quiz competition is class 5. Please give a round of applause. Now I would like to call Sunima Chalise for delivering speech. I would like to call Sarvam delivering speech.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, respected teachers, respected guests, and my respected teachers, respected guests, and my dear friends. I am Sarvam Vikas from class 7. I am very excited to be here today. Thank all of you for joining this mathematics champion special event. Mathematics is everywhere around us, and it helps us solve problems and understand the world in better way. Today I am here to deliver a short speech in the topic of how mathematics can make our life better. Mathematics is an important part of our daily life. If we don't always realize it, it helps us to solve. It helps us to solve problems, to make better decisions, and to understand the world around us. In everyday life, math is used for things like cooking, managing money, and planning for trips. It helps budget our expenses, measure ingredients, and to calculate time and distance. Math play a big role in technology. Without it, we cannot have smartphone, computer, and internet. Science and medicine rely on math for new discoveries and development solutions to the problem like disease and climate change. Even the building we live in and the road we travel on are designed using math. Math also teaches us how to think logically and solve problems. It make better at making decision whether it is choosing a best deal while shopping or planning for the future. Math make our life easier, smarter, and more efficient. It is a tool that almost helps us in everything we do. Thank you.
Thanks for delivering a wonderful speech. Clap for her.
Good morning, respected teachers, respected guests, and my name is Riti Adhikari. I'm from class 7. Today I'm here to deliver a short speech on the topic of the relation between math and computer. Mathematics and computer are closely connected. Mathematics is the foundation of computer. As many computer concepts based on mathematics. Computer also help mathematicians to even basic mathematics. Thank you.
Thank you for delivering a wonderful speech. Now I would like to call PTA member Bishu Sankota sir to deliver short and sweet speech. After that, I would like to call all of the parents and come in the munch.
धन्यवाद कार्यक्रम सञ्चालक बाबुलाई यस कार्यक्रमका सभाध्यक्षज्यू अतिथिज्यूहरू शिक्षक शिक्षिकाज्यूहरू र सम्पूर्ण यहाँ उपस्थित भाइ बहिनी र अभिभावकज्यूहरू आज यस अक्सफोर्ड सेकेन्डरी स्कुलको कक्षा 7 का भाइ बहिनीहरूले जुन यस कार्यक्रमको आयोजना गर्नुभएको छ यसबाट अवश्य नै भाइ बहिनीहरूको क्षमता अभिवृद्धि गर्ने छ र आफै क्वेसन बनाएर आफै यस्ता कार्यक्रमहरू सञ्चालन गर्दै जाँदा प्र्याक्टिकल्ली आफै प्र्याक्टिस गरेर पढेर मात्रै होइन आफै प्र्याक्टिकल गर्यो भने बढी त्यसको ज्ञान हुन्छ। जस्तै आज यहाँ क्वेसन बनाउँदै गर्दा यहाँ प्रस्तुत गर्दै गर्दा गरेका यी क्रियाकलापहरू अविस्मरणीय हुन्छन्। अरूद्वारा सञ्चालन गरिएको भन्दा स्वयं आफै सञ्चालन गरेका कार्यक्रमहरूले अवश्य नै विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूको क्षमता अभिवृद्धि गर्नको निमित्त निकै ठुलो योगदान पुग्नेछ र भोलिका दिनहरूमा पनि विभिन्न विषयहरूमा विभिन्न विधाहरूमा यस्तै कार्यक्रम यहाँका यस स्कुलका भाइ बहिनीहरूले सञ्चालन गर्नुहुनेछ र यी बोर्डिङ स्कुलहरूमा साँच्चै उत्कृष्ट नतिजा निकाल्न सफल हुनुहुनेछ भन्ने विचार व्यक्त गर्दै र आज तपाईँहरूले सञ्चालन गरिरहेको यस कार्यक्रम भव्य रूपले सभ्य रूपले सञ्चालन होस् भन्ने शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै मेरा भनाइ यही अन्त गर्दछु। धन्यवाद।
Now I would like to call Chief Guest Ananda Gimere sir to tell something about something speech.
Thank you, Honorable, respected academic in charge, and reputed, respected parents, guardians, PTA presidents, level heads, senior accountants, sir, lovely students. Today, really I am excited to express few of my words in front of you. That's why I am very, very excited. Statement of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein said, journey of 1,000 miles starts from oyster. For example, I had known a statement of Plato. I think you have heard the name Plato, who was the philosopher, and he had opened oyster. You know, informed about mathematics. There had written, there is no entry him or her who had no knowledge of mathematics. Sure, he had the knowledge of other subjects. You know? Yeah. You know, student passed about 40 years in this teaching field. You know, experience says that if in mathematics anyone passed, surely he will pass. You know, subject is going to be poor day by day, being the misuse of calculator, mobile, you know. Even I am facing this problem in my home. In my home, my son, who was the good scorer of GPA from this school, but even he didn't know the basic normal general calculation of mathematics without calculator. This type of program we will again will be launched on coming time also. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now we are going to publish the result of Mathematics Championship test organized by Mathematics Championship Club. For putting Vermilion powder, I would like to request chairperson of this program, Dr. Basanta Prasad Adhikari, sir, and for giving the prize, I would like to request PTA. And the first question goes to Soil Mizar. Please give a round of applause to them. Please give a round of applause to them.
We must stand up. Stand up. They are the examiners of clapping. Thank you. Have a seat. First prize. No, sorry. No first prize. Third prize. Third prize go to Dijasna Gurung. Is it? Where is the Guru? Dijasna Gurung. Come here. Clap her. Gurung daughter, come here. Good lady, thank you. Class 7, you are greedy, you are not clapping her. Come. Second position goes to. Please come here, join with her. Please, class 7, at least clap them. Other them, they are not ready. And first, there are two persons, two students first. Dipesh Paudel and Suyog Acharya, they have equal number. So, clap them, thank you very much. Come on here.
Congratulations to all. Please clap them in. Clap the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Okay. Thank you so much.